Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to activate LED notifications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and go to the accessibility and then click on advanced settings. Here you will notice flash notification under notifications, simply open it, and in order to activate camera flash, which is something like that, click on this tab, and then if you would like to turn on screen flash, which is this one, click on the second tab. And from now on, anytime you receive any notification or once the alarm is active, then you will be able to see both of them. Or obviously you can pick just one of the above flash notifications. But that's basically all. This is how you can activate LED notification in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.